Today's top news headlines: 35 fresh coronavirus infections, 1 death in Manipur in past 24 hours. Center alerts state over Omicron variant, asks to continue monitoring hotspots. And BJP bags landslide victory in Tripura, civil polls with a 98% strike rate. We are collectively facing a pandemic threat that is sweeping across the humanity beyond oceans and borders. Considering the seriousness of COVID-19, it's about time we step up against this deadly disease. Maintain a safe distance from others, even if they don't appear to be sick. Wear masks in public, especially indoors or when physical distancing is not possible. Choose open, well-ventilated spaces over closed ones. Clean your hands often. Use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. Get vaccinated when it's your turn. Follow local guidance about vaccination. Cover your nose and mouth with your band, elbow, or tissue when you cough or sneeze. Stay home if you feel unwell. Hello, this is Pony TV giving you the latest Sunday English Bulletin. I'm Christina. Now the news in detail. Manipur recorded 35 fresh coronavirus infections and 1 death in the past 24 hours, said the Manipur COVID-19 Command Control Room today. The positivity rate was 2.5%. The COVID tally stands at 1,25,152, while the death toll climbs to 1,971. The state COVID-19 Command Control Room in a release also said the new cases were detected from 1,424 samples tested in the past 24 hours. 8 persons were recuperated from the virus in the same hours, it added. In the wake of the new COVID variant, Omicron triggering apprehension across the world, the center has alerted states and union territories and asked the step up testing, vigilance, containment, and vaccine coverage. In a letter written to the chief secretaries of state and union territories, Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan said states need to continue monitoring the COVID hotspots. In a proactive stance, the countries from where the variant of concern has been found has already been identified by the center as at-risk countries for additional follow-up measures of international travelers coming to India. The health ministry said the new variant, believed to be more transmissible and immune evasive, has prompted countries to impose travel restrictions. Apart from Botswana, Hong Kong, South Africa, the new variant has now been detected in the UK, Australia, Czech Republic, Italy, Germany, Israel, the Netherlands, etc. BJP has backed a landslide victory in Tripura civil polls, winning all 14 urban bodies, which went to polls on November 15. It made a clean sweep in 11 urban bodies, including Agartala Municipal Corporation. Out of the 222 seats across 14 urban bodies that went to polls, BJP emerged victories in 217. CPI-M, which won in all the urban bodies in last civil body polls, has won in 3 seats across 3 urban bodies: Kailas Sahar and Ambassa Municipal Councils and Panisagar Nagar Panchayat. Trinamool Congress, which has backed the second highest number of votes after BJP in the Agartala Municipal Corporation, AMC, has won a single seat at Ambassa Nagar Panchayat, while Tripura Royals Kyont Proyot Kisorlet Tripura Motha has won 1 seat. Polls were held for 14 of 20 urban local bodies in the state on November 25th, of the total 324 municipal seats in the state. The BJP won 112 seats uncontested. The remaining 222 seats registered a healthy 81.54% voter turnout. Nongtombam Hiainu, better half of Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, to the inaugurated a Ibudao Marzing Hanazing Leikai Information, Cultural and Social Welfare Library United Club IMS UC at Haingang Makhalaikai. CM Biren represent Haingang constituency in Manipur Legislative Assembly. At the event, Hiainu was proud of Haingang for producing the largest number of sports persons in Manipur. She urged that the local clubs should put efforts in producing super players. Haingang Gram Panchayat Pradhan K. Jayanta Singh in Far East, BJP President P. December and Booth Level Committee President Y. Nando Luwang were present during the function. A protest was staged at Kwairapam community in Bisnupur district against price hike. The commoners and daily wage earners are suffering as the prices of essential commodities have skyrocketed. The demonstrator said former Pradhan, Pramukh and several others took part in the protest. T.H. Itoibi, a Zilla Parisat member during the protest, said the people suffer because the Modi government initiates wrong policies.
Hamjabagi maramdi Bharatda ngasi ngasi magthau tunggi oba gas ki amadi topa singasi sangadaba lamda masida sisinariba potam sida tanglakliba sigi damakta koina Bharat pumbagi oina koi protest ama koi government ki maigaida chathajabani.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.
Institute of Manipuri Arts Imagi acting classes lakliba December 1st week tagi hauzaragani. Maramasina hauzagadauriba classes asida yaubi ningba pambiba singna acting classes ki anoba batch lisinganiga kunmathoi amadi kunnithoi gi form submission tauba yaragani. Akupa marol gi damak Irom Sham Kishore Tera Tomram Laikai amadi contact number 8787458096 asida pau phaubiru.
Welcome back after the break. Kwairapam Ragumani Singh, a retired IAS officer, was given a warm reception at Langwal Housing Complex by locals today. He will run for the forthcoming Manipur polls 2022 on BJP ticket from Uripok constituency in Imphal West. Celebration of Ningol Chakoba along with over 300 women from both the Hills and Valley program was the main highlight of the program. Gifts were presented to the women on the occasion. Kwairapam Ragumani Singh said has taken voluntary retirement to contest the Manipuri polls.
Aina Kanjabada education is a very sector education se and ananga babu doctor bayate yam sang panjaro isi points apa marketing na ichaji phano honabiyo coaching thabiyo coaching do koi last year de ho jabani handakti koi kano se physical class ya phata bade improve kana koi organize to jadabani do madu kisu ini daka leba ai gi side ge ngamba ai tauge habagi ready lai jarabani maduma tanja lobi ning bakana gomba parents singna ai khoi de pros to vira kanda oja jingi fee piba bora so madu ai side ge ngamba ai taujage coaching gi fee piba ngamjada ba ai mono dum yauri khara roi ni kudi ma aina haijaroi adu mo kudong sa do mi yung gai do parents kai jo ngon da lakpiu adu gal palising manga tara jo saina angang yangkai cha ma du gi de provide taujage majuma this is one option, this is one work I am declaring for the Kendra Uribo.
Apunba Irepaki Mahairoi Sinpang Group aims honor women from both the Hills and Valley at a Ningol Chakoba program held at the organization office complex located at Kwakaitil Bazaar in Imphal West on Sunday. And General Secretary Nikarsant Kumanta highlighted the need to bolster the bond between sisters and brothers of all ethnic groups in Manipur. Manipur University Assistant Professor Naurem Sanatumba aims President Saikom Premchand and Sirka President Somendro Tokchom shared the dice at the occasion. AIMS also presented gifts to the participants during the program.
Saksa yutu amadi fije saksa ke mang kumaramna aikogi society da yamna ahom kya lakwa amadi machin manau ani gi marak laina ga amadi kaitharakpa amadi aikogi culture identity mang ko na maram moi kanda inau bu sinau ni khandaba amadi khatabu wakhlon kya khalakna ngasigi khunai sida khatabu lamcha sajak kya chalakpa khatabu lamcha sajak da kya khongdar ko asumba gi mami kya sale na ngasi aikoi roya tamya amadi tonga tonga no group jati kya gi Association jingo aikoiga ek ya akoigi ima amatagi masagumna khanduna haitare akoi ima amatagi masagumna khanduna akoini ngasi ising nauni haibagi wakhalwan ta ngasigi sumna ba samba ningon chakoi thomse pangthok sabani.
A mammoth vehicle rally was held on Sunday in favor of former Katrigao MLA MD Amin Shah. He is running in Manipur polls 2022, expected to be conducted in February or March next year. The rally was flagged from MD Amin Shah, resident at Katrigao, Mayay Laikai. Katrigao Block Congress Seva Dal organized a vehicle rally which covered most part of the Katrigao. Hundreds of his supporters in over 500 vehicles took part in the rally. Amin Shah said the rally was held under the slogan BJP Mukta Bharat to overthrow the Saffron Party. He alleged that the BJP has been providing mere lip service to the people by ignoring its promises. An eSRAM and PMJAY health card making program began at JM Public School, Paurabi on Sunday. The program was sponsored by Modu and Sanahan B Memorial Trust. Over 70 eSRAM card and 30 PMJAY health cards were made today. The card making process will continue for a few more days. It has been informed that workers from unorganized sector can also register for eSRAM and PMJAY health cards. A poster campaign was organized by Luwang Sambam Polling Station 2x12 booth level committee on Sunday. The campaign was carried out at every house under polling station 2x12. It was held under the supervision of BJP Haingang Mandal.
ngasi November ki tarik 19 nongmaijing numit yai pharba numit asigi ayuk ki pungpham dagi luwang sanggam 2x12 bu level committee na oliba jagada leibiriba khunja singaloina na honorable chief minister bu sogatpa amadi BJP bu sogatcha boina bu dasigi manung da leiriba yumthong kutinga changduna hairiba BJP lengang na paikhala leba chapot thorang amadi yai phathorang mayam si sogatcha boina khoi lotus campaign si ngasi siri nongthongbam mingona panjarabada samungok singhagi sangai dagi aho boina ngasi gi numira sida numit logjaraga masida khwai punamangna lenga asina paikhalaliba chakho thorang mayam si amadi yai phathorang mayam si yengbiraga makhatana punna sogat minasi afaba kunayama chakhotpa kunayama ohen minasi habisi luang samam 2x12 bu level committee gi maikai dagi mahut sinjaraga miyamda ngasi kudong jabasi logjaraga paujanjari.
Once again, let's take a short break.
Tapta Institute of Fusion Music Taiphumgi Makada Taptagi Sai Khaktada Yumpam Moiba The Voice of Taiphum Hana Mingthonba Singing Talent Hunt 4.0 Lakliba December gi tang kungamari Sokli Singaniga Kungamathoi Irai Numitagi Pangthokpa Hauzaragani. Episode 9 Sathagadoriba Fusion Music Competition Asigi winner amadi first second runner up singda pigadaba khudung chaba singdi Free Day Say Semba record changba amadi Tapta musical concert ta rotation 9 na sarugyahanba asina singmani akupa marol gidamak 9362109942 natraga 6009166130 da pau for organized by Tapta Ven Music and Tapta Fan Club.
Welcome after the break. The Nagaland government has taken up measures to ensure that COVID-19 guidelines and SOPs are followed during the festive seasons in Nagaland. December 1st marked the beginning of the festive season with the inauguration of Hornbill Festival and Advent Christmas parties, road shows, night carnivals, etc. In this regard, a meeting of the state-level war room on COVID-19 under the chairmanship of the Chief Secretary was held on Saturday in the state capital to review the COVID-19 situation in the state. The Health and Family Welfare Department gave an overview of the situation, and it was felt that there is a need to take additional measures for ensuring adherence to the SOPs issued by the state government from time to time by all concerned, particularly in view of the festive season approaching and the likelihood of increase in the number of large public gatherings and travels by people across the state. The 5-day long of the first football and volleyball knockout tournament came to the end on Sunday at Puching Village under Tamenglong District. Duiga Alang Surrounding Villages Organization, in collaboration with Puching Youth Club, organized the tournament under the motto to attain the highest development and unity. Duiluan 2 member Digent Pamay Pia Daswo President, Tuan Bui Kamay Daswo leader, and Puching Youth Club representatives were present at the closing ceremony. Dingyant Panmay was grateful to the organizing committee and every teams for making the sports meet a grand success. Distribution of prizes and announcing the result of the tournament were the main highlight of the event. Altogether, 16 football teams and 13 volleyball teams participated in the tournament. Puching Village Authority leaders, member of Youth Club, Women Wings, church leader, and other leaders from the surrounding villages also attended the closing ceremony. Second Thangta Festival kick-off on Sunday at the Kapching Kunau Community Hall, Kapching Kunau, Taubal. World Thangta Federation President Huidrom Prem Kumar, Taubal District Thangta to Association President Kumukcham Amuba Singh, Social Worker Muktasana Meite, former Secretary of Thangta Federation of India Thaunazam Priyo Kumar Singh, among others, attended the opening event.
Atop mafumdagi lakwa digumba masa masagi oiba karate kung fu taekwondo adugumba artsing aduna yauraga lamdam Manipur hariba kanglaiba kasida polaiba ikoigi law.
Before we wrap up, once again the top news headlines. 35 fresh coronavirus infections, one death in Manipur in past 24 hours. Center alerts states over Omicron variant, acts to continue monitoring hotspots. And BJP backs landslide victory in Tripura civil poll with a 98% strike rate. Thank you for watching Pony TV English News.